Hey guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, today we are in Dallas. We're only literally 5 minutes from Love Field Airport, about 10 minutes from Highland Park Village, and 15 minutes to downtown Dallas. Sheila, give us more information about this house.
Yes, and before I get started, remember guys, we are now partnered with House of Treadley, and their link is down below.
By the way, they actually sell really cool furniture and
similar to this one here.
Yeah, exactly. I was going to say furniture and decor.
Yes.
But anyways, yeah, really cool stuff, just like some of the houses that we always feature. But anyway, Sheila, give us more information about this house.
Yes, this is built in 2025 by AM Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,299 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,595,000, which is $483 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 6,900 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, Ali Beth Allman and Associates. So now let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. We can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.